Do you analyze this draw? You were winning most of the match, but you are on an away match. How do you analyze this draw?
Well, it was a difficult one. A lot has been going on behind the scene, but I mean, not here to talk about that today. But the guys have came out here and put in a hell of a shift, you know, and I have to commend them on that because, you know, as I said, there's been a lot going on, and we managed to put all that aside and come out here and put a professional game in, and you know, we just have to look to the next one and adjust what needs to be addressed and stuff. But you know, where the football side is concerned, I think, you know, credit to the guys to come out here and put in the shift.
You will play again on Tuesday. What do you have to change?
Yeah, I just think we just need to recover, get proper rest, and come back Tuesday, especially in front of our home fans, and try to get 3 points.